For centuries, fasting has been practiced for religious, spiritual, and health reasons. It's a natural human experience, woven into our evolutionary fabric. In today's world, dominated by constant food abundance, we've lost touch with this ancient practice. We've come to fear hunger, associating it with deprivation rather than the incredible healing power it holds. Fasting is not about starvation, it's about giving your body a break from constant digestion. This break allows your system to tap into its internal repair mechanisms, unlocking a cascade of health benefits. From weight loss to improved blood sugar control and enhanced cellular repair, the transformative potential of fasting is undeniable. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of fasting, demystifying its principles and exploring its various forms. We'll provide you with practical tools and strategies to incorporate fasting safely and effectively into your life. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey as we unlock the incredible health benefits of fasting together. Let's rediscover the power of this ancient practice and harness its potential to optimize our well-being. Fasting is not a modern-day diet fad. It's an innate biological process that our ancestors practiced out of necessity. They faced periods of feast and famine, and their bodies adapted to thrive in both. When food was scarce, their bodies shifted seamlessly into a fasted state. During fasting, your body undergoes remarkable metabolic shifts. As your insulin levels drop, your body starts burning stored fat for fuel. This process, known as ketosis, has profound implications for weight loss and overall health. Fasting goes beyond calorie restriction. It triggers cellular repair mechanisms, reducing inflammation and improving cellular function. This process, known as autophagy, is crucial for longevity and disease prevention. Fasting is a safe and natural way to optimize your health. By understanding its fundamental principles, we can dispel common myths and embrace its transformative power. Let's dive deeper into the different types of fasting and explore their unique benefits. Fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. There are various methods, each with its own set of guidelines and benefits. Finding the right type of fasting for you depends on your individual health goals, lifestyle, and preferences. Intermittent fasting. This popular approach involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, typically within a 24-hour window. It's a flexible and sustainable way to experience the benefits of fasting without making drastic dietary changes. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, this method involves alternating between days of eating and fasting. It's a more challenging approach, but it can lead to significant weight loss and metabolic improvements. Extended fasting. This type of fasting involves abstaining from food for prolonged periods, typically 24 hours or more. Extended fasting offers more profound metabolic benefits and is often supervised by a healthcare professional. Each fasting method has its own advantages and considerations. Let's explore each type in detail to help you determine which approach best aligns with your health goals and lifestyle. Intermittent fasting has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's a simple, flexible, and sustainable way to reap the benefits of fasting without the rigidity of traditional diets. This approach focuses on when you eat, rather than what you eat, making it easier to integrate into your lifestyle. One popular method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. For example, you could skip breakfast and have your first meal at noon, finishing your last meal by 8 p.m. This pattern allows your body to enter a fasted state overnight and maximize the benefits of fat burning and cellular repair. Another popular approach is the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. This method offers similar benefits to daily time-restricted feeding and can be adapted to your weekly schedule. Intermittent fasting is a safe and effective way to lose weight, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance cellular repair. It's a flexible approach that can be tailored to your individual needs and preferences. For those seeking more significant metabolic changes, alternate day fasting offers a more intensive approach. This method involves alternating between days of eating and fasting, typically with a 24-hour fasting window. While more challenging, it can lead to substantial weight loss and metabolic improvements. During fasting days, you consume little to no calories. allowing your body to fully transition into a fat-burning state. This metabolic shift promotes significant reductions in insulin levels, leading to improved blood sugar control and reduced risk of chronic diseases. On feeding days, you eat normally without calorie restriction. However, it's crucial to focus on nutrient-dense whole foods to nourish your body and replenish glycogen stores. This balanced approach ensures you're providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs. Alternate day fasting has shown promising results in improving insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation, and promoting cellular repair. It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting this method, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Extended fasting involves abstaining from food for prolonged periods, typically 24 hours or more. This method is not for the faint of heart and should always be undertaken under the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. However, the potential benefits of extended fasting are profound, offering a complete metabolic reset. During prolonged fasting, your body undergoes significant metabolic shifts. As your glycogen stores deplete, your body relies heavily on stored fat for energy. This process triggers autophagy, a cellular cleansing process that removes damaged cells and promotes cellular renewal. Extended fasting has shown incredible potential in promoting weight loss, reversing type 2 diabetes, and reducing inflammation. Studies have also linked extended fasting to improved brain health and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. It's crucial to emphasize that extended fasting is not a quick fix. It's a powerful tool that should be approached with caution and under proper medical supervision. If you're considering extended fasting, consult with a healthcare professional experienced in fasting protocols. Embarking on a fasting journey can be an empowering experience, but it's essential to start slowly and listen to your body. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started safely and effectively. First, consult your doctor. Before making any significant dietary changes, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Second, choose your fasting method. Determine which type of fasting aligns best with your goals, lifestyle, and health status. Start with a less restrictive method like intermittent fasting and gradually increase the fasting duration as your body adapts. Third, stay hydrated. During fasting periods, it's crucial to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee. Electrolyte-rich beverages such as bone broth or coconut water can also help replenish electrolytes. Finally, break your fast gently. When breaking your fast, start with small, easily digestible meals. Focus on nutrient-dense whole foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and lean protein. Ready to experience the transformative power of fasting? This 7-day Kickstart fasting plan will guide you through your first week, providing a gentle introduction to intermittent fasting. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the plan as needed. On days 1 to 3, you'll follow a 14-10 intermittent fasting schedule, fasting from 8 p.m. to 10 a.m. and eating from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. The focus should be on staying hydrated, consuming whole foods, and listening to your body's hunger cues. For days 4 and 5, you'll shift to a 16-8 schedule, fasting from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. and eating from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Continue to prioritize hydration and nutrient-dense foods, gradually increasing your fasting window. On days 6 and 7, you have two options: continue the 16-8 intermittent fasting or try a 24-hour fast from dinner to dinner. Listen to your body and choose the option that feels best for you. If attempting the 24-hour fast, ensure proper hydration and electrolyte intake. Fasting is not just another weight loss trend. It's a powerful metabolic intervention that can transform your health in profound ways. From shedding unwanted pounds to reversing type 2 diabetes and improving heart health, the benefits of fasting extend far beyond weight management. Fasting promotes weight loss by reducing insulin levels and increasing fat burning. By restricting your eating window, you naturally reduce your calorie intake without feeling deprived. Fasting has shown remarkable potential in reversing type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar levels. By giving your pancreas a break from constant insulin production, fasting allows your body to regulate blood sugar more effectively. Fasting can also improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, improving cholesterol levels, and reducing inflammation. These factors play a crucial role in reducing the risk of heart disease. fasting is a powerful tool for optimizing your health. However, it's not a magic bullet. It's essential to adopt a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management for sustainable results. Fasting, an ancient practice once driven by necessity, has re-emerged as a powerful tool for optimizing health and well-being in our modern world. This natural human experience offers a myriad of benefits, from weight loss and diabetes reversal to improved heart health and cellular rejuvenation. It's not about deprivation, but rather about giving your body a chance to reset and heal. As we've explored, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to fasting. Whether you choose the flexibility of intermittent fasting, the intensity of alternate day fasting, or the metabolic reset of extended fasting, the key is to find a method that aligns with your individual needs and goals. Embarking on a fasting journey can be empowering and transformative. It's about reclaiming your health, boosting your energy, and feeling your best. Remember to start slowly, listen to your body, and seek guidance from your healthcare provider. With the right approach, fasting can be a sustainable and rewarding path toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Can I drink coffee or tea while fasting? Yes, you can drink unsweetened black coffee or tea during your fasting periods. Avoid adding sugar, milk, or cream, as these can break your fast. Will I feel hungry while fasting? It's normal to experience some hunger pangs initially. However, as your body adapts to fasting, these hunger cues tend to diminish. Staying hydrated and keeping busy can help manage hunger. Can I exercise while fasting? Yes, you can exercise while fasting. However, it's essential to listen to your body and adjust the intensity or duration of your workouts as needed. How long does it take to see results from fasting? The time it takes to see results from fasting varies depending on individual factors, such as your starting weight, fasting method, and lifestyle. Many people experience noticeable changes within the first few weeks.